vegetarian stuffed zucchini. This recipe is perfect for a tasty dinner that everyone will agree on. First things first, after washing them, cut the zucchini lengthwise. Then, preferably using a melon baller, remove all the pulp, leaving only a thin shell. Naturally, the pulp will be put back into the zucchini as the filling. Give it a coarse chop and then saute it in a pan. Let's chop the green onions too. Drizzle some olive oil in a pan. Then add the green onion. Saute it for about 3 minutes. We will add in the zucchini pulp and salt it immediately to help it release its liquids. Let that cook at a high temperature for around 10 to 12 minutes. Gather it into a bowl and mix in the chopped sun-dried tomatoes and the breadcrumbs. I recommend using nice and coarse homemade breadcrumbs, a lot of hand-torn basil, and a little grated cheese for a further boost of flavor. You can also omit the cheese without affecting the recipe. And we have everything we need to fill our baking sheet. First, lightly grease the bottom of the tray. Then arrange the hollowed-out zucchini in the baking dish. Now we will grab a bit of the filling and squeeze the filling gently with your hands to compact it. It's time to fill our zucchini boats. Tamp down the surface of the filling well. This way, the zucchini will look well stuffed and more aesthetically pleasing. To get them perfectly golden brown, top each zucchini with a bit more breadcrumbs and lightly drizzle olive oil on top. Bake them at 200 degrees Celsius in static mode for half an hour. Zucchini ready, fresh from the oven. We will top them with just a bit of fresh basil. Now my favorite moment has arrived. Let's eat. What a magnificent dinner.
Bon appétit!